how to make this awesome project using simple materials. You'll need a 10 by 15 centimeter paper. Fold it in half like this. Then, connect these two corners together. Fold it again, like this. Finally, turn it over and fold it backward, like this. Cut it slightly diagonally, like I'm doing. This is the easiest technique to cut a star. I made a few stars of different sizes, and I'm using the silver foam to make the crescent moon. Open the drawing compass to 4 centimeters, then draw a circle. Reposition the drawing compass and draw half a circle. Grab some bamboo skewers and glue them on the back of the moon and stars. You can use some pipe cleaners to decorate the skewers, to add a bit of color. You don't need to add glue, you can just press it and it will hold. It looked great, but now it's even better. You can cut the pipe cleaners in half and use it on 2 skewers because the bottom half won't be visible. They are not ready. I already decorated the lid of this jar, but I don't need the lid today. You can use any type of tape to mark the jar. I'm using paper tape, you can find it in smaller sizes. Next, grab some PVA glue. Sprinkle gold glitter on the glue, like this. Once the glue dries, remove the tape. Glue a macrame rope at the top of the jar. This step is optional. Cut a long piece of macrame rope, cut it in half, then tie it like this to make a bow. Cut out the ends. You can decorate with whatever materials you have available at home. You can even replace the glitter with some colorful tape. Cut out the bottom of the skewers in different lengths so everything can be visible, and they don't cover each other. Look how they're all visible. This last step is also optional, but you can add anything that gives a bit of light inside the jar. I'm using this LED light. It will look mesmerizing when the lights are off. And even if you don't add lights, it will still look awesome.